Hi everyone, my name is Thea and today we're gonna be doing a very exciting video. In this video I'm gonna show you 2-day trip ideas that you can take if you're staying somewhere around Dublin or even just in general in Ireland. Our first trip we took with agency. I think the ticket was like 30-35 euros and like we found them on TripAdvisor, so we're like, okay, might as well try it out. Our first stop was in Glendalough at Sheep Farm.
By doing so,
Explain the whole process of what they do with sheep, you know, when they cut their wool, this sort of stuff. And in the end we could pet like the little lambs. They had 3, so it was pretty cute.
anyone like to hold?
Yeah. Our next stop was at Glendalough settlement, where the guide showed us around the cemetery, you know, told some local tales, and one of them being about St. Kevin's cross, which basically said that if you can like wrap your arms around the cross and then close the circle by touching your fingertips, that all of your wishes shall be granted. So of course we tried it. Next, we went to Upper Lake. And the wind was blowing so hard that, you know, we actually had trouble walking normally to our meeting point. But yeah, that's pretty typical of Ireland, I guess. Our third stop was at Wicklow Mountains. And again, it was extremely windy. But the guy was like,
you know, at least, you know, it's not raining.
But as soon as he said that, like 10 minutes later, boom, straight up rain. But yeah, it was fine. We just, you know, checked that place out. We weren't supposed to go on any hike or whatsoever, so it was not a big deal. So we just went on a bus and drove to Kilkenny. After we arrived in Kilkenny, we walked around the city, got lunch.
Check this out. When they did that,
Ne, jaz imam tudi eno tako okroglo špico doma. In je... Mene zanima, je tamle samo. Je psilja. Je lušno.
And then went home. And that was the end of our first day trip. Our next day trip was to a little town called Howth. We went on a hike there. And while we were stopping, taking some pictures, this happened. So definitely recommend that you have waterproof stuff like anywhere you go, just because the weather here is so unpredictable. So after about 10 minutes it stopped raining completely. So we continued with our walk, took some more pictures. And then walked to town to get something to eat.
Ja, jest to
And to finish the day off, we went to check the lighthouse out that was nearby, and it was just the perfect way to end the day. The sun was shining, which we always appreciate here. We were full, we had good food, and you know, we were so happy. So yeah, those are my 2 ideas for day trips. Let me know if you want more, there's definitely more coming. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!